The decision table design technique, so we will be considering the inputs, conditions or actions are often stated in a Boolean way, which is true or false or 0 or 1. Wherever our application is representing in terms of input conditions with and actions with yes or no, true or false, then this design technique will be adopted. Now if we have taken an example in this case, let's take an example of a credit card. So I will be using this decision table technique to derive the cases for credit card. Here there are certain conditions are there. For a new customer opening a credit card account, you will be getting 15% discount on all the purchases today. If anyone wants to open a credit card account today, immediately that day you will be getting 15% discount. That is one condition. And the second condition, if he is an existing customer and wanted to open a credit card account, then if he is already having a loyalty card with him, then you will be getting 10% discount. That is another condition. And the third one is, if he is having a coupon code also, then you will be getting 20% off today. But it cannot be used for a new customer discount. This is the various conditions we have or various rules we have. In order to derive the test cases for this kind of rule, we'll have something like this. If you can see, right, a new customer, we have, if he is new customer 15%, loyalty card is 10%, coupon if he is having means 20%. Now this is a rule. If he is a new customer, if he is S, then he doesn't have a loyalty card, if he doesn't have any coupon code, then he is entitled to get 15% discount. Similarly, we have a rule to, then he is not a new customer, he is an existing customer, but he is having a loyalty card and he doesn't have any coupon code. That means he will be entitled to get 10% discount. Then the rule 3 is, he is a existing customer, he is not a new customer. Again, he doesn't have a loyalty card, but he is having a coupon code. Now, that time you will be getting 20% discount. And another rule is, he is not a new customer, he is an existing customer, he doesn't have a loyalty card, he doesn't have any coupon code, then you will be entitled to get only 0%. Then in order to derive the test cases, so we have to put it in this decision table format. Based on this, we should be able to arrive the test cases and derive the various test conditions to test the credit card application.